Good afternoon, students. Maths 1 year subject, date 7/10/2020. My name is N. Ramesh. Mobile number 9052251007. ఎటువంటి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా క్లాస్లో కావచ్చు లేదా హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయడంలో కావచ్చు, ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ వైజ్ డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నా సరే ఆ నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయొచ్చు లేదా వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ ద్వారా అయినా మీరు సెండ్ చేయొచ్చు అండి. ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసాం. రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చేసి రాడండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ is if sin theta is equal to -1/3 and theta does not lie in the third quadrant Q3, then find the values of first one cos theta, second one cot theta, cos theta and cot theta. Okay, listen here. Here what is the given problem? In the problem the given value is sin theta value, that is -1/3, and theta does not lie in the third quadrant. Then we can find the values of cos theta and cot theta. Okay, given that sin theta is equal to -1/3. So here sin theta is negative value. Then theta belongs to sin theta in which coordinates are negative? Either third quadrant or fourth quadrant. But given that theta does not lie in third quadrant, mean theta lies in which quadrant? Actually from this value theta lies in either third or fourth quadrant, but given that theta does not lie in third quadrant, so theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. We can draw a right angle triangle in the fourth quadrant. Angle theta x y. Sin theta mean -1/3. Sin theta mean opposite by adjacent hypotenuse. From the triangle, what is the opposite side of theta? That side lies on y-axis. In this side, the total values are negative values. So this is -1. Hypotenuse value is always positive value, that is +3. Then what is the value of adjacent side? From the right angle triangle, we can write hypotenuse square is equal by the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal side square plus side square. So 9 is equal to 1 plus x square. Then implies x square is equal 8. X is equal to √8. Either plus or minus √8. But this side values are all positive values, plus √8. So from the picture, first one we can write cos theta. Cos theta is equal adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side value? √8 by hypotenuse 3. Second one cot theta. Cot theta means cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Tan means opposite by adjacent side. Then cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent side value? √8 by -1. Given that sin theta is minus 1 by 3, sin theta is negative value, then theta lies in which coordinate? Either third coordinate or fourth coordinate. But given that theta does not lie in third coordinate, so theta lies in which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. So we can draw a right angle triangle in fourth coordinate. Minus 1, 3. Then adjacent side value is root 8. From the figure we can write the ratios cos theta and cot theta. Okay, note this one. Completed. Get it on the next one. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3, find cos theta and determine the quadrant, in which theta lies. Given that cosec theta plus cot theta equal 1 by 3, find cos theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Okay. Listen here. Given that cosec theta plus cot theta is equal 1 by 3. Consider that is equation number 1. We know that by the identities, what is the relation between cosec and cot? From the identities, cosec and cot relation is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal 1. On the left side term is in the form of a square minus b square, that can be written as a plus b into a minus b is equal 1. We know that cosec theta plus cot theta value is 1 by 3 of cosec theta minus cot theta is equal 1. From this one, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 3. Consider that is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. cosec theta plus cot theta plus cosec theta minus cot theta is equal 1 by 3 plus 3. So minus cot theta plus cot theta get cancelled. 2 cosec theta is equal to 3 LCM 1 plus 9, that equal 10 by 3. So 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So cosec theta is equal to 5 by 3. This value is positive. Positive means theta belongs to cosec in which coordinates are positive? Either first quadrant or second quadrant, Q1 or Q2. Okay, this value substitute in either 1 or 2, we get the another ratio value, cot ratio, cot. So 1 implies cosec theta value is 5 by 3. 5 by 3 plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3. Cot theta is equal to 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 means minus 4 by 3 is negative. Cot in which coordinates are negative? So theta belongs to either second quadrant or fourth quadrant. Okay. Finally, we can find the which ratio value? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal, from these two ratios we can write cot theta by cosec theta. What's the value of cot theta? Minus 4 by 3 by cosec theta value 5 by 3. So 3 get cancelled, that equal minus 4 by 5. That is the value of cos theta. This value is also negative value. Cos theta is in negative. Cos in which coordinates are negative? Theta belongs to either second coordinate or third coordinate. From these three ratios, theta belongs to in which coordinate is common coordinate? For the ratio cosec, theta belongs to Q1 or Q2. For the ratio cot, theta belongs to Q2 or Q4. For the ratio cos, theta belongs to Q2 or Q3. For these three ratios, which coordinate is common coordinate? So second coordinate. Therefore, theta lies in which coordinate? Second coordinate. Okay, understood? Okay, everyone note this one. సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్లో ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ మోడల్ కాకపోతే రేషియోస్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మోడల్లో ప్రాబ్లం కూడా సాల్వ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 5, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 5, find the quadrant, in which theta lies, and find the value of sin theta. Same as this model. Given that secant theta plus tan theta equal 5, what is the general relation between secant and tan? By the identity, secant square minus tan square is equal 1. From that one we can find secant theta minus tan theta, that equal 1 by 5. From adding 1 and 2 we get the value of secant theta, subtracting 1 and 2 we get tan theta value. From the two ratios, sin theta can be written as tan theta by secant theta. So from secant theta, theta either positive, theta lies in which coordinate? Secant theta positive, first and fourth coordinate. If theta secant negative, second and third, second or third. Against tan theta is positive, theta lies in which coordinate? Either first or third. Tan theta negative, 2 or third, 2 or 3. Sin theta positive in which coordinate? First or second. If sin theta negative, third or fourth. From the coordinate, theta lies in which common coordinate. Okay. Have you noted that one? Note the problem. Okay. That is the next problem. Next one. If alpha comma beta are complementary angles, such that b sin alpha is equal to a, then find the value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. If alpha beta are complementary angles such that b sin alpha equal a, then find the value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, listen here. Given that alpha comma beta are complementary angles. What is the meaning of complementary angle? Sum of two angles is equal to 90, then the angles are called complementary angle. Here alpha beta are complementary angle means sum of alpha and beta is equal to 90 degrees. From this one, alpha is equal to 90 minus beta, or beta is equal to 90 minus alpha, and given value is b sin alpha is equal to a. From this one, sin alpha is equal to a by b. Okay, now we can substitute alpha is equal 90 minus beta. Sin of 90 minus beta is equal to a by b. Sin of 90 minus theta, cos beta is equal to a by b. Sin alpha equal a by b, cos beta equal a by b. Next we can find cos alpha. Cos alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. From this one, cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus, what is the value of sin alpha? A by b. Sin square means a square by b square. So cos alpha is equal to under root of 1 minus a square by b square. Cos alpha equal, we can substitute 90 minus beta, that is sin beta is equal to under root of 1 minus a square by b square. Okay, now we can find sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, that equal, what is the value of sin alpha? A by b, cos beta a by b, minus cos alpha under root of 1 minus a square by b square into under root of 1 minus a square by b square. So a by b into a by b, a square by b square minus root into root, root square. So square root get cancelled, that is 1 minus a square by b square, that equal a square by b square minus 1 minus of minus plus a square by b square. A square by b square plus a square by b square, 2a square by b square minus 1. This is the value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, everyone note this one. So they completed. What is the next one? If cos A is equal to cos B is equal to minus 1 by 2 and A does not lie in second quadrant Q2 and B does not lie in third quadrant, then find the value of 4 sin B minus 3 tan A by tan B plus sin A. Okay. In this question, what is the given values? If cos A is equal, cos B is equal minus 1 by 2 and A does not lie in second coordinate and B does not lie in the third quadrant, then find the value of 4 sin B minus 3 tan A by tan B plus sin A. Okay. ఏమంటున్నాడు? cos A cos B వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాడు. A అనేది సెకండ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో లేదు అంటున్నాడు, B థర్డ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో లేదు అంటున్నాడు. ఆ రెండింటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఏ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు? 4 sin B minus 3 tan A by tan B plus sin A value find out చేయమంటున్నాడు. Okay, listen here. Given that cos A is equal to minus 1 by 2 and also cos B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos in which coordinates are negative? So here cos A is negative. So A lies in which coordinate cos is negative? Either second coordinate or third coordinate. So A belongs to Q2 or Q3. But given that A does not belongs to second coordinate, then implies A belongs to in which coordinate? Third coordinate. Cos B is negative. So B belongs to in which coordinate? Cos in which coordinates are negative? Either second coordinate or third coordinate. But given that B does not lie in third coordinate, so then implies B lies in which coordinate? Second coordinate. So here A lies in which coordinate? Third coordinate. B lies in second coordinate. So we can draw a right angle triangle in third coordinate for the ratio cos A. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent value is minus 1. This is adjacent side for the triangle. So this side values are all negative values. So that is minus 1, hypotenuse 2. Then what is the value of adjacent opposite? 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. Root 3 means plus or minus root 3. So these values are minus root 3. So from the figure, from picture, we can write for angle A which ratios are we can find? Sin A and tan A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse minus root 3 by 2 tan A opposite by hypotenuse adjacent minus root 3 by tan A. minus root 3 by minus 1, that equal root 3. Okay, for angle B, we can draw a right angle triangle in second coordinate. Cos B, minus 1 by 2, adjacent by hypotenuse minus 1, 2. Then what is the value of opposite? Plus or minus root 3. But this side values are all positive value. For angle B, we can write the which ratios? Sin B and tan B. Sin B is equal to opposite by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Tan B, opposite by adjacent minus root 3. Okay. Finally, we can find the which value? 4 sin B minus 3 tan A by tan B plus sin A. That equal, what is the value of sin B? Root 3 by 2. So 4 into root 3 by 2 minus 3 into, what is the value of tan A? Root 3 by tan B minus root 3 by 2. Tan B minus root 3 sin A minus root 3 by 2. So 4 root 3 LCM is a 2 minus 6 root 3 by 2 by denominator LCM is also 2 minus 2 root 3 minus root 3. So 2 to get cancelled. 4 root 3 minus 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3 by minus 3 root 3. So root 3 get cancelled, minus minus get cancelled, that equal 2 by 3. So finally, what is the value of 4 sin B minus 3 tan A by tan B plus sin A value is 2 by 3. Okay, everyone note this one. Okay, completed. That is the next one. Prove the following. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now we can take LHS. Here LHS is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, that equal tan theta minus tan theta plus secant theta minus, by the trigonometric identities on the numerator 1 can be written as in terms of secant and tan, secant square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, that equal tan theta plus secant theta, that is one term, minus secant square minus tan square can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. On the numerator there are two terms are there. In these two terms, what is the common term? Tan theta plus secant theta is the common term. The remaining terms are 1 minus of secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, that equal tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus of secant theta minus tan theta means 1 minus secant theta minus of minus plus tan theta by, in the denominator terms can be written in the backward terms 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. On the numerator there are two terms are equal terms, so both are get cancelled. Remaining terms are only tan theta plus secant theta. So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Here what is the LCM? Cos theta is the LCM. Sin theta plus 1. So sin theta plus 1 means 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. That is RHS. We can take LHS term, we can prove RHS. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by sin theta minus secant theta plus 1 equal 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now this one. completed. Write the next one. Prove that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta is equal to 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta equal to. Okay, proof. Now we can take LHS. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. That equal. Okay, now we can find the product of these two terms. 1 plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta into 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. So on the here LCM is sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 into here LCM is cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. The numerators are, there are two terms are there, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1.